Hi bestie, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna just play with some painting. I wanted to do some hand painting, and one of the things I do in my art in real life is these sort of abstract lotus flowers, and I wanted to just play around with lotuses and mandalas. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you're watching this the day it came out, happy Labor Day. And if you are out there working to keep everybody's lives moving forward, thank you. You rock out loud, and I really appreciate you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just paint this flower on here. We're starting with the center petal, and then from there we're just gonna branch out and make the little lotuses. I do want anyone who realizes that I live in the Fresno area, I just want to assure you that while it is very smoky here and it is very uncomfortable here, I am not directly in the path of the fire. It's up in the mountains. Although I'm very, very close to it, breathing is not pleasant. But I'm safe. And everyone that I personally know so far is safe, and I'm just really trying to keep everybody in my heart, and especially the firefighters. I mean, this is scary nonsense, guys. Now, I love to do my cleanups, so if if your shape's not perfect, don't despair. And if you like a petal, you don't have to keep going like I did. You can stop and cure. If you like a petal and you know you're going to keep it and you're going to build on it, you can stop. You can stop and you can just go ahead and cure that, give it a flash so that you can't bump it or move it and mess it up if you have to clean up another one. So feel free to do that, but I just felt like I wanted to keep rolling and hope for the best, and so far so good. It seemed to work out. Okay, so once you have the base of it, then what I'm going to do is come in, because that's 3 of the petals. Now I'm going to come in with a different color, like you're looking at it from the back side of the lotus. I know you've all seen pictures of lotuses. I really want to do one from the face up, looking down on it, but my drawing skills are really going to have to improve. I'm going to watch some videos and see if I can figure out how to do it. But I'm just looking at it from the side. I actually have sort of a fantasy lotus on my leg that I had done a few years ago, but it needs another go round on it. I'm not 100% happy. And that artist moved to Texas, and I don't even know where he's at anymore, so I got to find somebody who's willing to just give it a touch up for me, but a really good artist who can put their own flavor on it. Yes, I have tattoos. Yes, sorry. I just stopped talking. I started watching what I was doing. I have like five tattoos. I really would like to have more, but they're costly and painful. And it's not even the pain. If I had the money, I'd go through the pain. But then, I'm not one of those people that can sit for like 5 or 6 hours and let you do it. I've got 2, maybe 3 hours in me, and then I've got to come back and let you finish up another time. Now I'm just going to come in and outline them. And the outline I do on it right now, I end up adding some to it later on. I edited this last night in the middle of the night, and I can't remember if I left that footage in or not, but you'll see at the end that, sometimes as you work on a piece, it evolves, whether it's nails or an actual art project or what have you. You start with one idea and something happens, you do something a certain way, you're like, oh yeah. And when I do something in my art where I just feel like I love what I just did, it's a special feeling that I get throughout my whole system. And I want to just say body, because like my spirit and everything just sort of go, ah, And that happened on one of the nails. And so I went back and fixed all the other ones to try to resemble it the best that I could. Okay, I want to point out to you guys real quick. You see this little nail up here in the top part of the screen? That's not going to end up being part of the set. What I'm doing on this nail is using a Q-tip to place a big dot in the middle. And then I'm just going to, because it's never, the Q-tip isn't going to leave a pure perfect dot like a dotting tool would. It kind of grabs the polish up, and in the middle it sort of sucks it up. So I just was using the tiny little brush to fill that in, and that, wow, that took a long time. And adding some dots to that lotus, and now we're going to come in and make some mandalas. This nail here that you're seeing next to my hand is another nail that is not going to make it into the set. There are a few nails. This set took a long time. It took a lot of trial and error. Some of them I started liking, like that's cured and ready to go. I don't know why I left this in. I swear I thought I cut that out. Interesting. Anyway, so you got to see me do 4 extra dots. Yay. And you want to, when you're laying down the dots for the little mandalas, you want to offset them, right? Where place your second dot, third dot, fourth dot in the middle where the other 2 dots aren't, right? You want to stagger them. I forgot to press record for the blue ones, but now I'm coming in with the white ones, and vary the sizes as well. It gives it more visual interest. Honestly, I wish I had come in with the smaller dotter and done even smaller dots. Next time. This is going to be, I love these dot mandalas, and I want to try to do other ones as well, but again, my matching skills aren't perfect. So, and I know not all mandalas are perfect, you know, especially if they're hand-drawn, but some people are really good at that, hand-drawn mandalas. So I'm going to try to perfect that a little bit. Because I like doing the hand art, and I really want to up my skills in that area. And, you know, learning how to speak correctly, that's one I'm working on as well. And I'm just cleaning off my dotting tool on a little paper towel soaked in alcohol off on the side. Because yay, Walmart had alcohol yesterday when I went to the store. I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy about that. I got 3 bottles because it's been weeks since they've had any. And I bought 3 bottles last time and I almost ran out again. I was like, am I going to be able to do nail art? Oh my God. Now I'm just coming in and making some tiny little lotuses. It's just for funs, just for some funs on 2 other nails. I'm only really going to show just the one. You don't need to see it over and over because it gets really repetitive, but it's the same way I did the other one, just in a tinier version. Just a tinier version. There are some things about the smaller ones that I wish I had done different. Honestly, I'm not sure if that looks like a lotus as much as it looks like a little cactus. Here's the one I did on the other nail. I like this one a little better. And this is where I figured out I wanted to make those little points right here. My whole body went, oh, I love that little point. And so I did try to come in on the other ones and exaggerate their tips a little bit. Because I just think it came out super cute. See, I did that on those as well. And now I'm just 3 petals. You see how I did that one down there? I'm just doing 3 petalers. I wasn't sure how I wanted to fill up the rest of the nail, and I thought, oh, why not? Why not? It's a fantasy sort of situation, so let's go crazy. I almost put some glitter, and I'm still not sure that I don't regret not putting the glitter. But, and here's the other mandala nail. I think we rushed. This doesn't seem very fast. I'm hoping we speed up here. This doesn't seem very fast. I wanted to experiment a little with not doing one color on the circle. I think I came out okay. Wow, I'm really disappointed that I didn't speed that up. I'm pretty sure we're sped up from here though. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. So what are you guys doing for Labor Day? Happy Labor Day, by the way. Happy Labor Day. I know I already said that, but again, happy Labor Day. And we're not going to, I doubt anyone in Fresno is doing any cookouts today. Probably they all bought a bunch of stuff and now are going to have to cook it in the oven or on the stove, because I can't imagine standing outside making more smoke. Okay, guys, it's time for some top coat. I don't know why you didn't get to see top coat on the pinky, but you didn't. It's there though. You can see it's shiny. This is going to be a lumpy, bumpy manicure. If you don't like that, I would go in with a generous, juicy base coat and then top coat it. But the nail tips don't mind. The tips don't mind. So we just top coated. Oh, isn't that adorable? Here are the second stringers. They didn't make it, guys. They didn't get to come to the game. They're out. But here we go with the finished set. Please let me know what you thought of these in the comment section. Don't forget to click my buttons. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Mwah! Have a great day. Do something awesome.